Imagine waking up every day with a lightness in your body that you haven't felt in years. Walking without pain. Climbing stairs without feeling like your knees are going to give out. Opening a jar or lifting a bag without that sharp sting in your shoulders or wrists. For millions of people, especially after age 50, joint pain is a constant reality. It's silent, limiting, and often treated only with painkillers that mask the problem without solving it. But what most people don't know is that the key to transforming this reality may lie in something incredibly simple. Seeds, yes, for specific seeds that, when added to your diet in the right way, can not only relieve but actually reverse much of the joint pain you're experiencing. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how and why joint pain doesn't appear out of nowhere. It's the result of silent inflammation, cartilage, where declining collagen levels, and poor diet that encourages toxin buildup. While many turn to pharmaceuticals, the truth is that nature has long offered us powerful anti-inflammatory and regenerative compounds, many of them concentrated in seeds that people often overlook. And this isn't hype or pseudoscience. It's real biochemistry, backed by serious research. Today, you'll discover how this can change the way you live starting now. Let's begin with the first seed. Chia seeds. Tiny, yes but nutritionally, they're giants. Rich in plant-based omega-3s, soluble fiber, and antioxidants, chia seeds help reduce systemic inflammation, improve joint lubrication, and even regulate blood sugar spikes, something that feeds inflammation when left unchecked. The fiber in chia also helps flush toxins from the body, easing the burden on your immune system. Just 1 tablespoon a day, soaked in water or added to your breakfast, can start a major transformation within a few weeks. The second seed you need to know is flaxseed. You've probably heard of it, but very few people know how to use it correctly. Flaxseed is one of the richest natural sources of lipids, which have estrogen-like effects in the body, essential for women postmenopause. When hormone levels drop and joint pain increases, it's also full of omega-3 south and mucilage, which not only help lubricate joints, but also protect gut linings. And yes, a healthy gut plays a big role in reducing joint inflammation. Be sure to grind flaxseed before eating it. Otherwise, the body can't break through its tough shell to absorb the nutrients. Next up, pumpkin seeds. These are packed with magnesium, zinc, and high-quality plant protein, not just for muscle strength, but for bone health and joint flexibility. Magnesium is essential for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including collagen production and vitamin D activation, both of which are crucial for your joints. Zinc helps regulate your immune system and lowers inflammatory. Studies even show that regular consumption of pumpkin seeds can slow the progression of arthritis, especially osteoarthritis. Eat them raw or roasted just. A small daily serving can make a real difference. Finally, our fourth powerful seed, sesame seeds. These tiny seeds are one of the most accessible sources of highly absorbable calcium. They also contain sesamin and sesamelenta compounds with proven anti-inflammatory effects. These reduce enzymes that contribute to joint degeneration and actually aid in cartilage regeneration. In countries like Japan, where sesame is part of the traditional diet, the rate of joint disorders is significantly lower. Just 1 tablespoon per day ground and add it to salads or a yogurt can bring real, noticeable benefits to your daily mobility. Of course, simply eating these seeds isn't enough if the rest of your diet is inflaming your body. Refined sugars, white flour, processed meats, and oxidized vegetable oils are silent poisons for your joints. The key is to create balance, eliminate what feeds pain, and introduce what regenerates. The 4 seeds you've just learned about act as catalysts for healing and detox, but only when integrated into a cleaner, more natural way of eating that includes a variety of vegetables, healthy fats, and plenty of water. Another vital element, consistency. You won't see results from just 3 days of eating these seeds. Your body works in accumulation. Just as your joint pain didn't appear overnight, relief won't either, but with regular use and mindful eating, most people start feeling real improvements in about 30 days, less stiffness in the morning, reduced pain, and even better sleep, since chronic pain disrupts rest. And here's a powerful bonus. These seeds don't just help with joint pain. They also assist with weight control, hormone balance, heart health, and even skin quality. In other words, adding these seeds to your daily routine doesn't just relieve pain, it rejuvenates your entire body. It's a domino effect of health and vitality, and it starts with a simple choice. If you've watched this far, chances are you're ready for a real change. And now you have a natural, powerful, and affordable tool in your hands. The 4 seeds that can transform your joints are available in almost any grocery store, but the knowledge of how to use them properly is still rare. And now you have that knowledge, so share this video with someone you care about who also struggles with joint pain. Leave a comment below and tell us which of these seeds you already use or which one you will be adding to your routine today. Subscribe to this channel for more practical, natural, science-based content. And remember, health is about choice, consistency, and knowledge. Now that you know, the choice is yours.